Hi, my name is Robert. I am the head of sales and development department at Saku Metall Allanki tehas. Allanki tehas in translation means subcontracting factory. And as the name indicates, we offer subcontracting service and are specialized in manufacturing sheet metal products. Subcontracting factory is a part of Saku Metall Group. To describe our company, I would say that we are more than just a sheet metal subcontracting factory. If you've ever been in an elevator or high-speed train in Europe, you have probably seen our work. We develop, manufacture, and assemble sheet metal products to customer drawings and requirements. The facts that make us stand out from the competition and bring most value to our customer are: firstly, our ability to manufacture up to the highest standards and requirements. Our company is certified according to all the relevant standards. Secondly, by reducing lead time and quality risk through the ability to keep many production processes in-house, we help manufacturers to increase their supply chain efficiency. Thirdly, because of our engineering know-how and experience, we can analyze, change, and manufacture new configurations very quickly. For example, one of our customers chose us over the other subcontractors because our R&D team proposed a design-to-cost solution. The more services our customers need from us, the more value we bring to the table. We're always looking to extend and improve our value chain. Our in-house capabilities include development, punching, laser cutting, bending, welding, painting, both powder coating and wet painting, and assembly. We offer various techniques to finalize assembly to the desired stage of completion. We have 10,000 square meters of production space, and we have averaged 1 million euros per year in investments towards machinery, systems, and training to keep our production up to date and efficient. We have experience in many different industries, but we are not limited by that. We can manufacture almost any sheet metal product. The majority of our customers are from Scandinavia and Germany. Some of them are from Spain and Italy. Distance is not an obstacle when quality and competence is the deciding factor. Get in touch to learn more about us and how we can help you. We are looking forward for new business partnerships.
Okay, we checked all four systems and you are go on 128.04.